Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy credits in MeetMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MeetMe application. Now click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down your screen. And here you can see credits option. Tap on it. Click on Buy Credits option. Here all you have to do is select how many credits you wanna buy. Let's say I wanna buy 200 credits, then I'll have to tap on 200 option. Then on this pop-up menu, tap on Add Credit or Debit Card option. Here you'll have to enter your card information. I cannot record that page because of certain privacy reasons, so all you have to do in that page is enter your card details and proceed. Then enter the amount of money you'll have to pay. After that, you'll have to check out. Then your account will be automatically upgraded with 200 credits. So that is how you can buy credits in MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.